The host, brimming with zeal, ignites the scene with an electrifying welcome. A vibrant spectacle of students mastering Canvas design tools on a myriad of devices. The proclaims, "Unlock your creative potential with Canva Magic Design." In a vibrant studio, a host stands ready to unveil the secrets of Canva Magic Design. The screen displays Canva Magic Design, your AI-powered design assistant. The host enthusiastically declares, "Today, I'm going to explain what Canva Magic Design is." In a vibrant studio, a split screen bursts to life, showcasing a dynamic host alongside Canva's spellbinding demo, promising a design revolution. With infectious enthusiasm, the host proclaims, "All right, everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into the magic of Canvas design tools. Get ready to have your minds blown." As the digital canvas awaits, the host unveils the transformative power of Canva's top 5 features, promising to redefine design workflows. From conjuring visuals with text to image, to seamlessly altering realities with Magic Edit, the host navigates Canvas arsenal, leaving viewers spellbound. The host energetically highlights diverse applications designed for students, from presentations to social media, sparking creativity and academic excellence. On the large screen, vibrant student creations, powered by Canva Magic Design, light up with innovation and flair. The screen boldly declares, "Student use cases. Ace your assignments, create stunning presentations, design engaging social media." In a vibrant studio, the host gestures passionately, unveiling a critical comparison. Pros, cons. Is Canva Magic Design right for you? The screen illuminates, revealing the pivotal question. Is Canva Magic Design the right tool for you? In a vibrant studio, a host greets the audience with an enthusiastic smile. With a captivating invitation, the host proclaims, "Try Canva Magic Design today." The host encourages viewers to subscribe for more AI tips. An end screen emerges, inviting viewers to explore Canva and subscribe for more insights.